Good afternoon, guys. It is June 1st. I am on my way right now to the joint for a chiropractic adjustment. I told you guys last week that I was going to see if I can go and get my back adjusted. It's really been bad. It's really been bothering me since I gave birth, and then the additional weight that I've kind of put on really doesn't help my back. So today I am gonna go and get an adjustment. Hopefully this will kind of help a little bit, because right now my biggest challenge is I can't walk for too long without my back like locking up, and it just gets so bad that I can't even walk. So I just want to see if they can help me because I need some help. I just actually stopped by Crumbled Cookies and grabbed me and the kids some cookies. I'm gonna show you guys when we get home, but I'm excited about those. I love crumbled cookies. They're really good. I really like their milk chocolate chip cookies, actually, more than all the other ones that they usually have. But yeah, so we're on our way. I have been wanting to do this for so long, and I just kind of kept pushing it off because I thought it was going to be expensive. But I kind of talked over some of they have some different financing options, so I should be able to afford it. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. My kids are with my parents, so hopefully after this I'm gonna go grab them so we can go to the pool today. The weather has been really bad lately. It's been so it's been kind of sunny in the morning and then starts to rain. So I really hope today it can kind of stay consistent so we can just go out there and have some fun. I got some really cute swimsuits for them from Shein, so I'm really excited about them wearing those. They're so cute. Like, I have been shopping at Shein a lot more lately, and I love their clothes. They're really nice. They're really affordable as well. So yeah, that's the plan for today, guys. So I don't know if I'm gonna film myself while I'm at the adjustment, because I didn't really bring my tripod with me. I'm actually filming on my phone, so I don't know if I'm gonna film much when I'm there. But yeah, this is like my beginning to fix some of the problems that I keep having that I've just neglected for so long, like my self-improvement beginning journey, whatever. The camera's like leaning, but yeah, let's go to this adjustment and get my back cracked. So I am just now coming out of the joint, and I got my adjustment today. It was really good. I feel some sort of relief. I mean, I don't usually feel pain when I'm not walking. The pain usually comes on when I do walk, or when I'm like standing for a long period of time. Then my back tends to lock. So I don't usually feel pain before that, but I do, like, he did do some adjustments. There were some cracks, some of those fun sounds. So I wanted to go for a bit of a walk, not right now, maybe later, just to see if it kind of made any difference. But guys, why does it look like it's gonna rain right now? Why does it look like it's gonna rain? Colorado, please. I really want to go to the pool with the kids. They're gonna be going tomorrow to be with their dad, so I just wanted to take them because they've been asking me to go a lot, but I've been so busy the last few days that I haven't been able to take them. But today I thought, oh, we could go after I finished running my errands. But now the weather looks like it's changing. The rain clouds, nimbus clouds, are gathering right now. So I really hope it doesn't rain and we can still go and have some fun. But I'm actually now on my way to go and grab them so that we can hopefully go do that, because that would be such a fun thing to do today instead of just being cooped up in the house again. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I hope I can go for a walk today, but if not, I might just go tomorrow when they're not here with me. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing now. Gotta go get the kids. So we finally made it to the pool. It actually rained not too long ago, and then the sun kind of came out, and I was like, we're gonna go in there. So we're in the pool. We're gonna go have some fun right now because I really been wanting to do this before the kids leave. So I don't have a shower, not a shower, a swimming cup. I need to get one, but for now I'm just like putting my hair all the way up to prevent it from getting, well, it's gonna get wet, but not as wet. But we're gonna have some fun. Hi guys. Okay, so the last time that I talked to you, we were going to the pool. We are at the park right now. We're at Washington Park. It is Wednesday, the following week. I didn't film when my kids were gone, but we're here. The weather is really nice, so decided to come outside so we can enjoy the weather, be out in nature. So yeah, we're just gonna walk around. The kids are gonna go to the park and play a little bit. Well, we're at the park, but I really love this park, and I've kind of been striving on like switching up the spots that we go to so we can, you know, be going to new places instead of the same places. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. I'm gonna, oh my gosh, I keep moving the camera. I'm gonna show you some scenes of the place so you can see where we are. Dario doesn't want to ride his scooter. He wants to sit in the stroller, and I actually got a new stroller. Not, it's more of a, yeah, it's a stroller for the summer because it's gonna be fun for us to be able to go out and about. Milo is all the way over there, but Dario decided he doesn't want to ride. But I figured for the summer it would be nice. So you gotta sit down. It would be nice to have something for us to be able to use when we go to, you know, different places. So yeah, this is really nice. I like this one. So that's what we're doing. Oh, I am out of breath already, guys. But yeah, we're just at the park. It's really nice today, really beautiful. Here's Milo. Saturday today. We are on our way to Elitch Gardens right now, and guys, excuse my edges, okay? I I use this new edge control, and I don't know why do my edges look like this, y'all? I mean, they're laid, but they look ashy. I don't know if I put too much or what I did, but yeah, it looks so ashy. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to put some sort of water on it so that it kind of loosens up and doesn't look like this. But yeah, we are going to Elitch Gardens for the first time this summer. I'm excited. Are you guys excited about Elitch Gardens?
Yeah!
We're all excited. I'm actually going solo today. Usually I like to go with somebody else because it's easier, you know, like when you have somebody else, you have 4 eyes instead of 2, so somebody else can help you watch out for the kids, you know, look at your belongings. But nobody is available today, and I just figured, you know what, I'm not gonna keep waiting for people to be available for me to actually do fun things with my kids. I've just been like operating in this mindset of, oh, that guy just went through that. I've been operating in this mindset of like fear. Oh goodness, will I be able to handle it? You know, just being there with my kids, you know, what if this happens, what if that happens? But I'm kind of trying to step out of that and just, you know, go out and do more fun things with my kids so that we can enjoy our summer instead of just waiting for help, for somebody else to be there to lend a hand, you know. So that's kind of my philosophy this summer. I'm trying to do a lot of fun things, God willing. I'm trying to, you know, take them to different places. So in most of those places I probably won't take anybody else with us, so it's just gonna be us 3. So I just want to kind of get my head wrapped around this idea that I can do it. Like, I don't need to always have somebody else with me for us to go on an outing or do something fun. But yeah, that's the whole gist of this. There's a bit of traffic right now, but we're almost there. We were gonna do swimming.
2 miles. Take exit 212A onto Speed Boulevard South.
There goes the map. But yeah, we're gonna go do swimming. But the weather in Colorado is just so bipolar this summer. Like, it keeps changing so much. It's sunny and then it starts to rain, and it's just so annoying because I really want to enjoy the hot weather and not have to deal with the constant rain. But today it was a little sunny, but now it kind of looks like it's gonna rain a little bit. So I hope it doesn't rain so the kids can actually go and play in the swimming pool, because I know they want to do that. I'm probably not gonna get into the swimming pool today because I want to be able to kind of keep an eye out for them and also for our belongings. So I'm just gonna be out kind of observing them today, and then hopefully when I come with somebody else, then I can actually, you know, get in with them and enjoy the time. But today hopefully we can go swimming, but if not, we're just gonna go to the rides and have some fun. But yeah, I'm kind of excited. I actually been wanting to do this for a while, so really excited to finally get out there and get it done. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. We just made it. Hopefully my eyebrows look a little better. Not my eyebrows, my edges. I just put some water on it. I don't know what's going on with them. That's so weird. But excited for some fun. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me see. Am I forgetting something? I have my wallet. I have the tickets. I have lip gloss, water, some snacks, something to eat. I think we're good.
Never again accept defeat, and we don't hide, no, just find the light in honesty, 'cause I've never been good at telling stories, yeah, and we're gonna ride, this wave until it breaks, we're gonna drive all day, we're gonna ride this wave until it breaks, all I know.
I actually we didn't stop by to get anything, so I'm gonna be cooking dinner tonight. I had marinated some chicken thighs the other day that we were gonna make yesterday, but we didn't, so I'm actually gonna make that tonight. And so since it's been marinating for quite some time, so hopefully it's gonna be nice and, you know, delicious and juicy when we eat it, because I was supposed to cook this yesterday and I didn't. So we're gonna be eating it today with some, I was thinking rice, but I'm also, maybe we can just do what is it, potatoes, mashed potatoes. But yeah, that's what we're gonna have. Okay, this is what it looks like. Just marinated it. I think I added paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, some parsley as well. So this is gonna go into the oven for about 40 minutes, and I'm gonna put the whole recipe down below for you guys if you're interested as well. Okay guys, so I am a little sweaty, but I just wanted to kind of say thank you for watching this video. Today was a great day. We had fun at the Elitch Gardens. We rode a few rides, which was exciting. So I feel like this video was kind of all over the place, but if you liked it, be sure to hit the subscribe button. I will be posting more content like this. So yeah, hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any more videos, and I will see you on the next one soon. Thank you for watching.